Join me as I dive into the world of AI and take on the challenge of figuring out how it's going to revolutionize the future of cars. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. The automotive industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, and it's all thanks to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. In the not-too-distant future, our roads will be filled with vehicles that are safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable to ride in. And at the heart of it all is AI, the technology that's going to make it all possible. As we speak, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are already making massive investments in AI research and development. And the results are nothing short of astounding. From level 3 autonomy to sophisticated driver assistance systems, AI is poised to change the face of transportation forever. But before we dive into the specifics of how AI is going to revolutionize the future of cars, let's take a step back and look at the current state of the industry. With over a century of innovation under its belt, the automotive sector is finally ready to take the leap into the 21st century. The current state of the automotive industry is marked by a perfect storm of technological advancements, changing consumer habits, and shifting regulatory landscapes. Electric vehicles are gaining traction, ride-sharing is on the rise, and consumers are demanding more connectivity and personalized experiences from their vehicles. The technological advancements in AI have been nothing short of breathtaking. From natural language processing to computer vision, machine learning to deep learning, the progress we've made in the past decade has been exponential. And it's precisely this convergence of AI and the automotive industry that's going to create the perfect storm of innovation. The automotive industry has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, but with AI, we're entering uncharted territory. Suddenly, the impossible becomes possible. Cars that can drive themselves, predict and prevent accidents, and adapt to the unique needs of individual drivers. Safety is, of course, the top priority when it comes to AI in cars. With the ability to process vast amounts of data in real time, AI-powered vehicles can detect and respond to hazards faster and more accurately than human drivers. According to a study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, autonomous vehicles could reduce accidents by up to 94%. That's a staggering number that has the potential to save thousands of lives every year. But AI's impact on safety goes far beyond just accident prevention. It can also help combat driver fatigue, a major contributor to road accidents. By detecting signs of drowsiness, an AI-powered vehicle can take control of the wheel or alert the driver to take a break. Efficiency is another area where AI is going to make a massive impact. By optimizing routes, accelerating and braking, and streamlining traffic flow, AI-powered vehicles can reduce congestion, lower emissions, and make our roads a whole lot more pleasant. And then there's the user experience. AI-powered vehicles can learn our habits, preferences, and behaviors, tailoring the driving experience to our unique needs. From personalized infotainment systems to intelligent navigation, the possibilities are endless. Take, for example, the new generation of AI-powered navigation systems that can predict traffic patterns and optimize routes in real time, or the AI-driven driver assistance systems that can detect and respond to potential hazards before they even happen. But AI's impact on the automotive industry goes far beyond just the vehicles themselves. It's also going to transform the way we design, manufacture, and maintain our cars. With AI-powered simulations, companies can reduce prototyping costs, accelerate development timelines, and create more efficient supply chains. And let's not forget about the data. AI-powered vehicles are going to generate vast amounts of data, from driving habits to traffic patterns, and this data is going to be a goldmine for companies looking to improve their products and services. Of course, there are also concerns about job loss in the driving professions and the ethical implications of AI decision-making. As we move towards more autonomous vehicles, we need to consider the impact on truck drivers, taxi drivers, and other professionals who rely on driving for a living. We also need to consider the ethical implications of AI decision-making. Who is accountable when an autonomous vehicle makes a mistake? How do we program our AI systems to make ethical decisions in the face of uncertainty? But despite these challenges, the benefits of AI in the automotive industry are undeniable. And as we move forward, it's essential that we have an open and honest conversation about the implications of this technology. So, what's the takeaway from all this? AI is going to revolutionize the future of cars, and it's going to do it in a big way. From safety and efficiency to user experience and data, the benefits are undeniable. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.